1, 2, 3.
Alright, thank you and congratulations po. Sir, ito yung yung mga documents ng property. So, ito po yung original title. Hawak ni seller na hindi po naka-mortgage yung property. Then, ito naman yung certified true copy ng title. Galing po to sa Register of Deeds. Parang pinotocopy yung hawak nila na title. So, dapat match yung hawak ni madam tsaka yung nasa ID. So, clear naman po siya. Walang annotation. Ito po, gagamitin po natin yan pang transfer ng title. And then, one of the requirements po, stating na clean title is yung tax clearance. So, yan po siya nakapangalan sa kanila. And then, pag nakakuha kasi ng tax clearance, ibig sabihin po nito, bayad yung amilyar nung property. Opo. Tapos, tax declaration din.